let's solve this question. Hardik earns 28,000 per month at the start of the year and wants to save an average of 5,000 per month during this year, right? So it's the initial income of Hardik is given as 28,000 per month, and he wants to save 5,000 per month. Now, in the first 3 months, his monthly expense was 24,500, and he foresees that from April onwards, his monthly expense will increase to 29,500. So it is given for first 3 months. His income is 28,000 per month, right? And it is given that is a monthly expense in these 3 months was 24,500, right? So monthly, this is monthly per month, and his monthly savings in these 3 months would be how much? Expense is 24,500. So his savings monthly would be 500. So 3,500, right? This is the monthly saving he managed to save, right? This is the amount he managed to save per month for the first 3 months. But it is given that he wants to save 5,000 per month, right? So target savings, his target savings are 60,000, 5,000 per month. That is 60,000. This is the target savings, and in first 3 months, he managed to save only per month. So total savings in these 3 months would be 9 and 10,500, right? So he was able to save only this much amount, 10,500, but his target savings is 60,000. So whatever amount is left, he has to save in these 9 months, right? So in 9 months, he has to save. His savings must be how much? 60,000 minus 10,500, which is equal to 49,500. This is his target saving for the 9 months, because in 3 months he managed to save only this much amount, 10,500, and his annual target of savings is 60,000. So he has to save 49,500 in next 9 months. So per month saving, I can find the per month saving or the amount he has to save per month. So for next 9 months, his savings per month would be 49,500 divided by 9, correct? Because this is the amount he has to save for 9 months. So per month he has to save how much? 3 times 45 and 3 times 45. So 3,300 he has to save. This is first, correct? So 49,500 divided by 9 would be 5,500. This is the amount he has to save per month. So his saving for next 9 months, or the saving per month for the 9 months would be 5,500, right? But it is given that from April onwards, that for next 9 months, his monthly expense would be 29,500. This is per month. So his income has to be for this from April onwards. His income has to be how much? The sum of expense and savings. So 29 and 5, 34, and plus 1, 35,000, right? So to achieve his target of yearly savings from in last 9 months, his monthly income has to be 35,000. So we have to find by what percentage so this monthly earnings grow if he wishes to meet this yearly savings target. So monthly savings, income earlier were 28,000, Now it has become 35,000. So percentage change is of 7,000 out of 28,000, which is 1/4 and 25%. Right? So correct answer will be option D. Next.